How to complete verification process on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can complete verification process on Remitly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. Now, once you're on this page, by the top part of the screen, you can see options like send money, transfer history, refer friends. Now, if you've not done your verification or completed your verification process and you try to send money, by the top part of the screen here, you see the option, we need some information from you to complete your request. So you can just go ahead and click on it. So if this is not being displayed, just go ahead and try to send money and then it will be displayed. This is because you cannot get a direct way of completing your verification process on Remitly. So after clicking on that, you can see add a few details. When you send larger amounts, the law requires us to take extra steps to verify your identity, etc. So click on continue, and then this is the main page. On this page, the two major ways of verifying your identity is through the SSN or through your passport. So you can just select your passport, and then once you're on the passport page, you'll see a directive of how you have to upload your passport. Let's go back, click on passport again. They wait for this page to load. So due to a bad internet connection in my area, this page is not loading. But for you, once you click on passports, you'll be taken to the page where you see guidelines on how the passport should look like. Click on I understand, and then you'll be redirected to your device's files. So on the files, just upload your passport and then it's be verified, and then just like that, your verification process will be completed, such that you can now carry out any kind of transaction on your Remitly account. So this is how it works, okay? Ensure you complete your verification process today. Thanks for watching.